This is a Sanira Africa Development Rwanda, Nyagatare branch. I'm manager of this branch, Nyagatare branch. Our company, we have many branch. We have a branch at Kayonza, we have the same branch, we have Rubavu, and headquarter Kigali. Here at our branch, we have many types of motorbike, and we have good quality. We have what we call Esa, it is a type of Bajaj Boxer, and 11060 also it works as Bajaj Boxer. And we have other types that most carry heavy goods. We have 125 6 and 125 6A, 6C and 6D. All of those types are mostly used in carrying heavy goods. So we like to invite all people who want to buy motorcycle. We have good quality at a low price. Secondly, our branch and other branches of Sanira Africa Development Rwanda, we have all spare parts. And good advantage, we have garage at all branches with good technicians. Service at our motorbike is free of charge, and when you got a problem at our motorbike far from our branch, you can contact us. We can come at your home and we will repair your motorbike. That is good advantage at our company. We would like to invite all people. We can deal with the client if he wants to get motorcycle at a loan. I wish all people or clients who want to buy motorcycle to come at our company or other branches in Rwanda, or he can visit our headquarters, Kigali. So, any other information, you can contact us at 078 100 1773.